Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar, Jessica Mauboy featuring Jason DERULO. Give You Love. So this is a great, nice song here with an energizing Jessica here singing, and we have in the same way the chord progression and playing. We can do that in a little bit more of a fingerstyle technique there, but we can also do it with just clean downs of the chords. So we'll look at that first. Capo on third, that's important to have the best and easiest chords possible for this one. So capo on third, and we have pretty much 3 or 4 chords, our main chords. We have transition chords as well, where you just hit a note or so in a way to the next chord, so to speak. But yeah, pretty much actually 3 chords, what I can see, are the main chords. I think that is enough to go over, and then I will explain the rest for you. So let's take a look at these 3 chords. It's the E minor, C, and G. All right. So starting with the E minor, that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we have the C. That is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And we also have the G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Okay, so I'm gonna give you first the picking version of it, so to speak. And of course it's based upon the same chords here, just a different way of playing them and handling them. So we'll start with the first here, the E minor. Here you're gonna pick open E together with open G, open B, and third E. Okay? This third E will be with us here, so with your little pinky, I suggest you glue that third E string here to begin with. The start of the song here. So all these notes. Then you go to the C chord and play third fret A string together with open G, first B, and still this third E. And I can just mention already I will add some claps into it. So the first clap comes in between these 2 chords. So E minor, clap, and now the C pick there. All these notes together. Then you're gonna go to this transition chord. It's a kind of a B-based chord here, or C with the B in the bass. You're gonna pick this here, second fret A string together with open G, open B. You could go with the first B if you want, if you feel that that is convenient from the C to just switch here. You can also go open, it's up to you. It's not that important here, but anyway, open or first B string and still the third fret E string. So like that, okay? And then we have the final chord, the G here to start with. And you go up to the third fret E string in the bass and pick that together with open G, open B, and still a third fret E string. And then a clap. That's pretty much the first half of it. So to repeat, E minor, clap, C, B, G, clap. Okay, so together. Actually, we have a clap in between the B and G as well, so. Okay. We'll go on here with a part that is a little bit put in between this half and then second half. It's a transition part, so to speak. So we'll do the G, third fret E string together with open G and open B. Then an F sharp grip here, so to speak, transition chords as well. Second fret E string in the bass together with open D and second G. Like that. And then you'll start the next half of it. Okay? So the transition part here after the G and clap was the G and the F sharp grip there. Second half of it will be, again, based upon the E minor, a little bit different than the first one. So it's open E string in the bass together with the second D and open G. And then comes the C and the B again, a little bit different. First a clap, and then C goes 3rd fret A string together with open D and open G. And then the B is 2nd fret A string together with open D and open G. And then a clap. And then finally the G, which is the 3rd fret E string with open D and open G. And then a clap. Then we have just a couple of notes here to fill out the gap here, so you can play like that. So that is 3rd fret on B string, open E, and 2 times on the 3rd fret E string. Okay, so that is the picking pattern for this song. I'm gonna take you through one round of this, but first just to go over the chords and a little bit quick how to play them and the claps and where they come. So we'll start with E minor, then clap, C, B, and then clap, and then G, and then clap. And then we had the transition chords here, G, and the F sharp grip there. And then comes again the second half of it, the E minor, clap, C, B, clap, and G, clap, and then the notes. All right, so one round goes like this. So, nice song there, but you can also switch it up with just clean strumming. And it follows, of course, the same chord progression there. So it will be E minor, just downs now for this. So E minor, clap, C, B. What you do here from C, B, you just hold the C as it is. And then you can just release everything except from the first B string there. And then go to the second A there. So you can actually just release that as well, because we're gonna make the downstrokes here on the bass strings. Like this. And then comes the G, clap, and then again G, and then the F sharp. Here you can do the same as the C, B transition there, just switch to the 2nd fret E string to get the F sharp there. And then we have the E minor, and then clap, again C, B, then clap, and then G, clap. And then you can do 2 more downs of the G. That replaces the notes. Okay, so 2 downs on the G there in the end. So slowly it goes like this. Yeah, so you can switch it up and do a little bit like this. took off a little bit there. The feeling is right, so sometimes it happens. Anyway, you have the basic playing here for it, the melodies and the strumming patterns, or the chords, I mean. And yeah, you can do a little bit, give your own touch to this song here. So good luck with Jessica Mauboy's and Jason Derulo's Give You Love. So thank you for watching, guys, and until next time, play tuned.